Hey there, recently I just noticed that copying the custom font URL from your members area, once you upload the font into the GHL members area, then it's not actually working. So once we click on the link of the font that we uploaded, then instead of showing copy link address, it's showing copy link to highlight. Okay, and there are no other option to copy the actual link for this custom font. Okay, so if you're using this copy link to highlight and use this link to your GoHighLevel, then the custom font will not work. Okay, so what is the solution for that? Okay, so the solution is, instead of uploading the font into your GoHighLevel membership area or creating a membership page and upload the font there, you need to upload the font anywhere else. Okay, like just go to the cloudinary.com. Okay, I will put this website link into the members area, okay, of the custom font. So just go there, cloudinary.com, or you can search this website on Google and you will get the link. Okay, and then if you don't have any account, then just create a free account. It's completely free, it will not charge you anything. Okay, just use it for free. And if you already have the account, then you can log in. So as for my case, I already have the account, so I'm going to log into my account. Let me log in, and then after that, you logged in and go to the, okay, so okay, well, if you can directly go to the assets and you can upload it here. Otherwise, the recommendation is go to the folders tab and click this icon to create a new folder and create a folder called fonts. And you can see here I already have a folder created, and then just double click, okay, on that icon and you will insert the font folder. Okay, and then click the upload button and browse the font. You just download it as a WOFF2 format. Okay, and just click here and then upload it. Okay, so you already see that I already uploaded the font. And then once you upload it, you will see something like this. Okay, and then just click copy URL. Okay, this small icon, just click on it and go back to your GoHighLevel. Then you just need to, well, one more thing I need to do. Let me copy the code snippet first. Okay, let me paste it into the CSS area. Let me put it here. Okay, in this case, just forget about anything else. Okay, so I just copied the code snippet, and then I'm going to Cloudinary and then copy this font URL by clicking this icon and go back to the GHL and then click, just remove the placeholder and then put your font URL, then copy the font name. Okay, save the code, and let's say I want to apply this custom font to this headline. Okay, so for this headline, so what I need to do, just select the headline, go to the advanced tab. Okay, and then, well, if it's not working, then just save it and then reload the page. Okay, so let me do this real quick. Well, once the page reloaded, then just select the text that you want to apply the font, then click advanced and go to here, okay, the custom CSS, and enter the name of the font. Okay, this is the first thing you need to do, and then go back to your font. Then everywhere it says font name, just replace with the font name like this in my case. Okay, so that's it. Nothing else need to do, just this code snippet. Okay, for just you need to copy the font URL, then just replace this with these three CSS selector with your font name, and then also add the font as your custom CSS, okay, font name. And then you can see here this line is showing actually the custom font I added. Okay, so now we can just do anything else we need to do. Okay, so sometimes it's not working when you working with this custom font or some custom code snippet. Is not the bug from our code snippet or any other code snippet. Okay, it's something happening from GoHighLevel side. So all you just need to save the page and then reload the editor, so it will be back to normal and you can select anything. Okay, so that's it for this video. The most important thing in this video is instead of uploading your font right inside the members area or creating the membership site to upload the font, all users need to create an account on Cloudinary and then upload the font there and copy the font URL, and then you can use this on your website and use the custom font. Okay, so this is just the updated video from our previous video, how to use the custom font on your GoHighLevel. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this. Have a nice day.